I won't leave your side. I'll give you all of the love and affection you want. Shh, 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 shh. No, 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 no. Shh, 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 shh. Hey, hey. Shh, shh. No, no. You're not dreaming, okay? I'm real. I'm real. I'm here. Look at me. Hey. Just look at me. I don't mean to startle you or scare you. I just want to help you, okay? Can you let me help you? Hey, hey, hey. Shh, 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 shh. It's not important who I am. Okay, just know I exist for you, my sweet girl. Yeah, I'm here to make all of your troubles go away. Every last one. And I've been watching over you for quite some time. And let's just say that I know how much you've been touch-starved recently. Yeah, am I right? I know that you crave affection. You crave hugs, cuddles, kisses. Just the warmth of another. You want someone to share in your worries, to support you, to hold you when you need to cry, yeah. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. That's me. I'm here to give that all to you. And only you. Okay. Only you. I've been waiting. I've been waiting so long to finally see you. To get to share our warmth together. To comfort you when you're sad. To soothe your lack of affection. I've studied every single inch of you. I've watched you so closely. I know what makes you feel safe. I know what makes you feel comforted. Overstimulated, nervous, scared, anxious, happy, excited. I know everything. I know everything about you. My perfect girl. I just need you to. I need you to give me a chance to show you. If you'll let me. If you'll let me, I'm ready. I'm ready to devote my life to you. I'm ready to give you my life. My life is yours. It's always been yours. I want to be the mommy that you deserve. I want to hear you call me mommy so badly. I want you to claim me as yours. And I can give you everything you've been missing out on. Can I get closer? Can I hold you? Please, can I hold you? Hey, hey. Oh, no, no. Don't worry, don't freak out. You're okay. I'm I'm not gonna hurt you, I told you. I want to soothe what's been on your mind. I want to fulfill all your requests. It feels so good to be this close to you. To smell you. To look at you. To finally be able to fulfill your need for affection. I know you've been craving it for so long. I know, baby. Hey, I'm here now. You'll never have to worry ever again, okay? I promise. I just want to admire every part of you. From the top of your beautiful head to the bottom of your cute little toes. Your beautiful hair that so perfectly frames your face. And the color is so vibrant. I've always wanted to just touch your hair. Run my fingers through it. Feel the warmth radiating from your head. Gently tracing the sides of your face. On those eyes. I feel like I'm looking at the stars when I stare into your eyes. Oh, wow. They almost glisten. Oh, wow. When our eyes make contact, I just feel this flutter in my chest. Like a million butterflies. Your warm, soft, red cheeks. I don't mean to make you so nervous, my good girl. That was never my intention. Although this might make it worse. I couldn't help myself. I've been waiting for so long to finally do that. I've dreamt of our lips touching it. Even that didn't come close to how it felt. If you think about it, it just confirms the fact that you are my everything. That we're meant to be. I'm the one who's meant to soothe your lack of affection, right? It's me. I'm yours. I'm your mommy. I love and cherish everything about you. Your hands that I finally get to hold and warm up because they are very cold. Honey, you don't have to be nervous. I know it's a little scary, but I told you I'm not gonna hurt you. And those arms. I just want to feel them around me when I carry you. You know, like I pick you up and carry you to bed after you fall asleep on the couch or something. Something cute and romantic. I've thought about so many scenarios like that. There is so much I want to do with you. You have no idea. I've thought about so much for so long as I've watched over you, and Am I helping? Am I making you feel better? Do you feel the love that I have for you? I can do so much more if you need. You just have to let me, okay? I want to be closer to you. I want to be as close as I can be. Inside your skin if I could. I bet it feels so nice, doesn't it? I mean, you're literally perfect. Why wouldn't it? Hey, shh, shh, shh. No, don't say that. You are perfect. Do you understand me? Listen to mommy, okay? Be a good girl. Mommy knows what's best for her girl. Okay. Yeah. Good girl. That's what I like to hear, okay? Right, honey. Let me help. Shh, I'll be so gentle, I promise. Hey, honey. Hey. What's wrong, baby? Oh, shh. Oh, those poor ears, baby. Oh, I think they need to be cleaned, don't they? Oh, no. Those poor ears. Hey, you know what? Mommy brought everything she needs to help. I can clean your ears for you. Gently rub them and clean off all the dirt. I mean, what kind of mommy would I be if I didn't take care of you, baby? Oh, I'd be terrible. I should be left for dead if I don't take care of you. You are my whole purpose. And I want you to make sure you feel all the love and affection. Okay, yeah. You're not gonna be touch-starved any longer, okay? Yeah. Oh, that's a good girl. You just relax. I'm right here, okay? You'll feel me gently touch your ears. And touch that pretty face. And give you kisses when I want. I'm gonna be real gentle, okay? Yeah, because you deserve that. Oh, there you go. How does that feel? I hope your ears don't get too warm. My sweet little one. You're such a good girl. Mommy's gonna take the best care of you, okay? Endless snuggles. Endless kisses. Anything you want. It's all yours, baby, okay? Hey, baby. Turn your head for me, okay? I'm gonna focus on this ear first, okay? No, don't worry. I'm not gonna neglect that other ear, okay? You can't get my hands off you, I promise, baby. Shh. I'm gonna make sure you feel all my love, okay? I'm gonna make sure to get those ears nice and clean. And I'll get both of them, alright? Don't worry. You're gonna get the best attention from mommy. But guess what? Mommy's never gonna let you go. I'm never gonna take my hands off you, okay? You'll never be touch-starved ever again. As long